Good morning students. As you all know that we are going to start online classes from today onwards. So, I Hina Kausar, LKG class teacher, will take your English classes. So, for that, first of all, you need book of English and English notebook. Okay? So, firstly, just open the book. Turn the pages. Yes, this is the first thing that we will learn today. This is in page number 9. Before starting, we will put date on the top. How we will put date? We will write 20 hyphen 5 hyphen 2020. Today is 20, no? That's why we are writing 20 here. 252020. So student, this is a rhyme which name Hickory Dickory Dock. But wait, why there is a picture of a clock and a mouse as well? I think the rhyme is all about the clock and the mouse. Let's see. So, I will just sing the rhyme, and what you have to do is you will repeat after me. Okay? So, let's start. Here we go. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Again, hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. One more time. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. One last time. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse fell down. Hickory dickory dock. So, I have also sent the link of this rhyme. So, what you have to do is you will just listen the rhyme again and again, recite it and learn it. Once you learn the rhyme, make a video, send it to me. Okay? For now, we will move towards the next topic. So, open the next page. Page number 10. What is the topic? Let us look at things around us. But before starting, what we will do? We will write date on the top. 20 hyphen 5 hyphen 2020. Right. Okay. We are learning the lesson on the same day. That's why we are writing the same date here. Okay. So the topic is let us look at things around us. What does it mean? What is mean by things around us? So all the things that we see nearby, maybe in our classroom, in our school, in our kitchen, in our drawing room, in our bedroom, in our bag as well. These all the things are called things around us. वो सारी चीज़ें जो अपन डेली बेस पे अपने आसपास देखते हैं, वो सारी चीज़ों को हम क्या बोलते हैं? थिंग्स अराउंड अस, चीज़ें जो हमारे आसपास हैं. So, can you name all the things that you see in your daily life? Can you? I don't think so. Let's see. So, there are picture of some things that we use in our daily basis. Just see. You can name them or not. Okay? Of course, you will name it because you use it a lot. Yes, this is a cell phone. This is a mobile phone in which you play games, in which you watch videos, in which you listen songs. The next thing is a computer. This is the computer screen. This is the CPU and its mouse. Okay, this is not the same the rat wala mouse. No, this is another mouse. Okay. Do you have a computer system at your home? Just check it once. Okay. This is a newspaper that we get daily in the morning. This is a house in which we live. This is a bat. But wait, where is its partner? Where is the ball? Ball is not there. This is the bat only. Okay. These are the shoes. These are the books. You would also have books in your bag. Just count it later ki how many books do you have in your bag. Okay? Okay. This is a football. This is a car. Car in red color. This is a jug. This is a wristwatch that we wear in our wrist. This is a wrist. Okay? And this is a house. So these are the things that we see in the book. But wait, what am I holding? What is this? This is a pencil. Some more thing I'll show you. This is a sharpener. This is a marker. This is a spoon. This is an eraser. This is the box of what? Box of crayons. Do you also have crayons? This is a pen. But you are not allowed to write with pen because you are allowed to write with pencil only. Yes. These are the bangles. Your mama wear bangles? Okay. Some more thing I have this diary. Yes, this is my diary. So, what you have to do is just see all the things that you see in your house and name all the things. Okay? Name all the things that you see at your home, and if you don't know the name, go to the parents and ask them which thing is this. Okay? Okay. For now, we will moving toward the next thing, which is they are in a park, and this is in page number 11. Let's start. But wait, do not forget to write date. The same date we will write on the top. 2020 hyphen then 5 then 2020 like this. Okay, after putting the date we will start. The topic, they are in a park. Students, can you recognize the picture? Can you tell me which place is this? Can you name the place? I think this is the place that you like a lot. This is the place where you love to go again and again. Am I right? Yes, of course, this is a park. So, can you name all the things that you see in the picture of park? Okay, which is the biggest thing you are watching here? The biggest thing is tree. There are so many trees are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and many more. What is the color of tree? The tree is in green color. The leaves are in green color and the branches are in brown color. Yes. What are these so colorful and beautiful things are there? What are these? These are the lovely flowers. These are the lovely flowers. Do you also have flowers in your home? Just see it, okay? Students, why the floor is green over here? Why is it green, green, green everywhere? Because of grass. Because there are grass on the ground. The ground is covered with the grass. The grass is always in green color. See, so many children are playing in the park. And can you name all the things, all the swings in which the children are playing? Let me help you. This is a slide. This is a slide. Remember, we also have slide in our school now? Yes, in which you were playing. So this is a slide. Can you see one more slide? Is it the another slide? No. Is it the another slide? No. So is it the another slide? ये है क्या एक और slide? No, I don't think so. Yes, this is the another slide. Yes, of course. This is the another slide. So how many slides are there? One slide and another two slide. Yes. Now, can you name this? This is called horse rock. What is it called? Horse rock. And this is a swing. Wait, what these children are doing? What are they doing? Wait, they are playing with sand. Yes, they are playing with sand, and this is called a sandbox. This is called a sandbox. The children are playing in a sandbox with the help of sand, and they are making things with sand. We also have a small sandbox in our school. Remember? Yes, we also have one. So, students, I have also sent a link with a topic in a park. What you have to do it, you will just watch that video and try to learn all the name of the slides. Okay? For now, open your notebook. Open your notebook, the 4-line notebook. Okay? And just like book, we will also put date here as well. The same date, 2020, then 5, and then 2020. Okay? And here I am giving you homework. So write H dot W. HW. Okay? As you have seen a clock, so you will draw a clock here. Okay? You will draw a clock here. I'll help you how to draw a clock. Parents, please put date in your What's copy. The heading is Draw a clock. Parents, please write it on your What's copy. Okay? Now I am telling you how to draw a clock. So first of all, you need to make a circle. What you will make? A circle. So this is a circle. Students, parents will put heading only, and clock will be made by you. Okay? Parents will not make the clock. Student will make. So you will make a circle. You can make bigger or smaller, whatever size you wish to. Okay? After making circle, put a dot on the center. Okay? And then make one stick here, one here, one here, and one here. Have you ever noticed a watch in your home? Just see a watch at your home, that how many numbers are written on a watch. Okay? So there are numbers from 1 to 12. So we will write the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, at last 12. See? Yes. After that, how many hands are there in the clock? 1, 2, 3 hands are there. We will also make 3 hands. Okay? So 1 is the smallest hand. 1 is the smallest hand for hour. Okay? Then 1 is the longer hand for minute, and 1 is for second also. You can make second any size for second. Okay? So can you make a clock? Yes. Draw a clock, send a picture, click a picture and send it to me. Okay? So we will meet in the next video. For then, good day.